Fountain pens are not as scary as you think, and today I'm going to prove it. There's one tiny setup step that beginners often miss. And if you miss it, your pen might not write at all. Let's make sure that never happens to you. Today, I'm using the Lamy Safari in Aqua. It's one of the easiest fountain pens to start with. Let's unbox it together. When you take it out of the box, the ink cartridge is already stored inside the pen. Everything you need is right here. No bottles, no mess. Let's look at the parts quickly. This is the cap. This is the barrel, the pen's body. Inside, you'll find the ink cartridge, the grip section, and the nib. The nib is the part that writes. This little ring stops the cartridge from being pierced during shipping, but if it stays in, the ink can't flow. So we take the cardboard ring off and put the pen back together. When we twist the barrel back on, a tiny spike inside the pen pierces the cartridge to activate the ink. Easy, clean, and beginner friendly. Now, give the ink a moment to travel through the feed. If it needs help, just gently tap it on the tissue. The Lamy Safari has a tripod grip, 2 flat sides and 1 gentle curve underneath. It naturally guides your fingers into a relaxed and comfortable position. Make sure the nib is facing upwards. The little slit should point to the ceiling. Aim for a 45-degree angle to the page, not straight up like a pencil and not flat like a marker. Let's do a writing demo. This pen has a medium nib, so it gives a really nice smooth line. You don't push like a ballpoint, you just guide the pen across the page and the ink flows naturally. Hold the pen lightly, almost like you're holding a little bird. There will be more ink on the paper than you're used to. That's really normal. It's what makes writing feel so effortless and soft. Let the pen do the work. See how smooth that is? No scratching. No pressure, just calm, comfortable writing. And now the giveaway. I'd love one of you to enjoy this exact pen and feel confident writing again. To enter, comment below and tell me why you'd love to try a fountain pen, or if you're already using one, what you enjoy most about it. Make sure you subscribe so I can contact you if you win. Full giveaway details are in the description. I'll be choosing a winner and announcing it in a future episode, so keep an eye out. And if it's not you this time, don't worry. The next episode will have another fountain pen giveaway, and I think you might love it even more than this one. So remember, comment to enter, subscribe so you don't miss the winner, and come back for more simple tips to make writing feel good. You've got this.